Hey guys, it's Tara Govardhan or Frauchi, and today I have a real quick YouTube tip for you. So this is for mainly teachers, but also for students. So specifically teachers, I think we're all familiar with that fear of having a YouTube video that has content that we want to share in class, but we don't know which ads might pop up, you don't know which video might play after, and so this is why this is a really good workaround for that. So what you're going to do is scroll down after you've found the YouTube video that you would like to share, and you are going to click on that share button. You're then going to go all the way over to the left where it says embed and click on embed. And then the embed HTML is going to come up, and you want to pull the URL for just the specific video from this. So what you're going to do is pull the URL from in between the quotations. You're going to copy while you still have your finger down on the mouse, because as soon as you let go, it's going to highlight everything, or it usually does for me. And then you're going to go over to a new window or new tab, paste in your URL, and there's the video that you want to show. And of course, this is good for in person and also during virtual learning, so that you can have your video ready to go for your lesson and optimize your time with the kids. I hope this was helpful. As soon as you click play, the video should then play for you. I do also want to warn you, though, that it doesn't always work. I think it's worked for me about 9 out of 10 times, but there is that random video where when I do this and I pull the embed code, it doesn't actually work, and it'll say video unavailable. So you do want to make sure that you check this out before class and make sure that it works for this particular video that you've chosen. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and take care. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.